Joto Khwlainani. Greetings from Don Bosco High Secondary School, Mandai. Hereby, I would like to announce good news. That is, we are going to have 5th Inter Don Bosco School Sports Meet of Tripura State here in our Don Bosco Mandai and in our Khwlainani Stadium Mandai. So hereby I would like to invite all the audience through this media channel to come and witness this mega event of this year at Mandai. For the boys, Mandai Khwlainani Stadium will be the venue, and for girls, both football and volleyball at Don Bosco High Secondary School, Mandai Playground. With this, I am happy to invite all to encourage and support and promote our young players who are coming up. This time we are organizing for all our 8 Don Bosco School students.
Joto Khakaham, Sum Don Bosco Mandai Khwlainani Khakaham Pro Lukurokno Khatuma Kokke Mahaise Hainai 30 Tarik August Ashalo Kaisha Kotorma Khwnai mung batai mung somsajaka Khwnai mung batai mung na somsaka Chini Tripura Haste ni Joto Don Bosco School Ga Khwnwa Phai Manjal Phayana Chini Don Bosco Tripura Haste ni 8 school rok Chela tai Buri rok ni football tai volleyball Thungmung batai lai ni nai Thungmung batai lai ni Thungkho langkha Chela rok ni bagai football volleyball Thungjagana Mandai ni Khwlainani Stadium o Tai Buri rok ni Thungkho langkha Chini Mandai High Secondary School Kairego O Thungmungo Joto lukurok Joto khajani mapha takubuko sono phai nai phene bagai jung korok jago teibu khatungman kotman gaw mahai Khwnani salo Chini chief guest ngai phai manja phaina Chini borom ganang Chini Montri Sri Sushant Chaudhary chief guest ngai manja phaina tebo phai manja phaina Chini Tripura Saham Montri Chini Sar Vikas Department Tei Bomai ke Phai Manja Phayana Chini Sports Department Director Joint Director SDM Jiraniani Tai Jiraniani Sports Officer Tai Sok Phayana Belai ke Khatungo Chini Boram Ganangsar Roniel Department TTA di sini PW tini Naikol Fang Bobo Sungbai Baksa Phayana Tai borok simia Chini borong genang jek MLA Chini Mandai nino borong genang jek Sopna Deborma Chini MLA botongana Tai omahaike Joto officer Joto line officers Chini Mandai nenggai manjagana Tai bu khatungo chung Chini SDPO sar bu phayana Tai Chini 10 battalion ni Biasa commandant sar bu phayana Tai omahaike IS rock Joto edisi tai state ni sini Mandai amchani officer bu manjagana tai usi tai sini Mandai ye sini doctor je officer in charge tongnai medical officer bu tongana tai mahai kai Joto beran ni dalbidal officer bu tongana o khela thumung ni bising tei Chini Tripura Haste ni Don Bosco School Father Song Batei Fangrok Obono Kok Kesana Musuno Srungni Loge Khela Dula Tongnanango Khela Dula ni bisingte Tebo Chini Sakham Prai Hayo Bini bisingte Sakham Kaham ni Loge Loge Bini Tebo Pucuk Tinang Kaham Snai Mano Tai Omahai Keno Thungmungo Tebo Buskango Agobe Phaina Bagi Don Bosco School Omahai Khwnani sir tebo kaham kotor khai tongo tai o khelano naifna bagai chung jotono kobok jaw tangin gangke tabu Don Bosco School sikhe khela dula o kawi tongo Norok khna kisi sa sakangbo bangma jaga borok champion ngi phai tongo bangma jaga khela dula kaham phai tabu kuchumbera mo borok khela bukhago kasawi tongo aborok nahar murokno chini lukurok chini amchaini chini tipra Haste ni rok pal ke phai nai chini sarano tebo bukha basarana bagi जों जतन पाबो अ खेला बेलाइखिना नायथबनाय थों गोरों खेला दङ ताइ अ खेलानो नायखलनानि बागै चिनि स्पोर्ट डिपार्टमेन्ट तिनि त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेन्ट आबनो पुरा बरक नायखलनानि बागै गसरेनो हाका आबनि बागै जों एडभान्स नो स्पोर्ट डिपार्टमेन्ट नो हामबायरो ताइ कबक जाव जों डन बस्को निंगै जतन लुकरकनो थोंमुंनाय फेदि खातुंदि सा गाहाम गोरों हामबाय